हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल आई द पिंक लेडी। आज मैं आपके लिए लाई हूँ एक छोटा सा मेकअप हॉल ऑफ वादी हर्बल्स। वादी हर्बल्स इज एन हर्बल ब्रांड जो मैंने रिसेंटली डिस्कवर किया है, एंड जस्ट टू गिव इट अ ट्राई आई बॉट टू प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम इट. The one is the papaya fairness scrub gel and the other is the neem face wash. So trust me, I bought these two products on experimental basis and I really don't regret it. The result is amazing and I really love how it performs, the packaging, the pricing, everything is good. So let's first discuss about the neem face wash. It has a lot of variants in it. I bought a neem face wash since I have a little acne problem also. So it is actually the small packaging of it just for experimental basis that I told you. So this is anti-acne face wash. So neem, as you know, is herbal and is good for skin. So I bought this one. The texture is nice. The fragrance is very mild, which is good, and overall its effect is good enough. One small experience I would share of it. My husband has very sensitive skin, तो उनको ना आईज के नीचे थोड़ी सी इरिटेशन होती है when he uses some other face wash जिसमें harmful chemicals होते हैं. So he tried this Wadi herbal face wash and he tried it for a couple of times and his problem of irritation under the eyes is just gone. So this is how it is a magical product and it is actually a herbal product. So you should actually stay away from harmful chemicals. So this is a must buy. You can try the other variants also depending on your skin type and the requirement. So this one I tried and I really love it. Now talking about the pricing, it is not too expensive. It is like for 69 bucks, which is a small packaging of it and which is fair enough. Now talking about the other product, which is this scrub gel that I bought. It is the papaya fairness scrub gel. Now it again has so many other variants. I bought this one because this one is for the fairer and a clearer skin. And talking about its result, it was very good. I have used it couple of times now, and whenever I use it, you see instant glow on your skin. The granules are very minute, very soft, very gentle on your skin. अगर आपके फेस पे कोई एक्ने की प्रॉब्लम है, so do not worry, use this with very mild hands, light motions you use it. It will not scratch away your acne. So it is very soft, mild, and it gives you instant fairness on your skin. Your skin looks much clearer, brighter after the application of this scrub. Again, as it is having a lot of other variants. So you can try anyone according to your skin type. This papaya scrub has honey and saffron as well. So this is the basic reason your skin becomes more clear and brighter. And talking about its pricing, it is for 130 rupees, in which you get 110 grams of the product, which is again quite reasonable as compared to other commercial herbal brands that you see in the commercials running around. So these are the two products that I bought and I really love them. And I am thinking of trying some more products. I think I will try their range of shampoos now. They have entire range of shampoos, and these Wadi herbal products are available on Amazon and other websites also. I ordered from their own website. So they have some offers also running. Like if you buy a pack of three face wash, so you'll get a better deal. And these kind of deals they have, you can surely check that out. And for your ease and convenience, I'll mention the link in the description below. Do try them out and let me know in the comment section how it was for you. Thank you so much. See you next time. Until next time, stay beautiful.